Okay, Spruce Knob Seneca Peak hike. Currently up at Spruce Knob, highest point in West Virginia, 4,863 feet. Not going to go up to the observation tower today because there's not a lot to observe except for the inside of a cloud. First part of this hike, just kind of hike along the ridge for a while, for a couple miles, and then after that you drop down into Seneca Creek, do a little walking around there, a little hiking, find a nice place to camp, and go from there. Trail system. We're up here at the observation tower. We're going to go up to Huckleberry, down the Huckleberry Trail, cross Lumberjack, go down a little bit further in Huckleberry, come across Judy Springs, go into Bear Hunter, and down Seneca Creek. So, anyhow, there we go. Let's get started.